Swing over there. Hey, what's up guys? California Flippy here, bringing you guys another video. Hope you guys are all enjoying your day. So today I picked up a couple of things locally, and I'm going to share that with you guys. And also I got some solds that I'm going to share with you guys. I got about 8 to 9 things going out, some pretty decent stuff. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Don't forget to like the video if you guys enjoy these daily videos, and let's get right into it. First items going out, this is a Kia Optima mirror. And this sold for $65 with free shipping. This is OEM. It's a genuine Kia part. So these always sell well. These radios, I've been doing pretty decent with car parts. Should be getting some rims pretty soon. So keep an eye out for OEM car parts. They seem to do pretty well. Also sold this brand new sealed DVD-R recordable disc. DVDs. These will be going media mail, so these will probably cost around $3 to $5 maybe to ship out. I don't remember how much I paid, probably like $3 or something like that. I think it was like $2.79 at a Goodwill or something like that, so not a bad flip there. Next item I'm going to share with you guys, this is a GoPro Karma Drone battery, and this sold for full asking price of $49.99. Like I said in my previous video, GoPro stuff sells very well, so if you can get it on Facebook or source it on anywhere you can get it, as long as you can get it cheap enough, it'll always sell. GoPro stuff does well for me all the time. Another item here, this was in my death pile. I listed it, sold in like 2 days. 60 gigabyte hard drive for Xbox 360. Nothing special here, 10 bucks, but you know, first class, you know, I'll make a couple dollars on it. Next item going out, I picked up a slot car pack. I haven't showed you guys yet, but this one's sold right here. This is an Audi Red Bull slot car, and this sold for $20 with free shipping. And I also sold a Mercedes-Benz one. I'll pop up on the screen for $12, and I also have like the whole set still. These were just extra cars, so I pretty much made my money back just on the cars. So slot cars, depending on, you know, the model or the kind of brand, they could do okay. So sold for 20 bucks. Pretty happy with that. Next item going out, guys, the brand is Untuck It. This brand does pretty well, and I haven't been really selling a lot of clothing, obviously, because the thrift stores have been closed. But when thrift stores open back up, check the market, of course, because the market always changes, but keep an eye out for Untuck It. This sold for, I think it was $22 plus shipping, so not too bad. Alright guys, now the big boys that sold. Got 3 items here, and this sold, I listed this last night. This sold within probably like 20 minutes maybe, and this sold for $399 plus shipping. So really good flip there. I paid $300 for this, so I made my money back on the Switch. I already sold 2 games I showed in my last video that sold for like 40-50 bucks a piece, 45 a piece. And then I sold these 2 games already. So this one is Zelda for the Nintendo Switch. This sold for $59.99 free shipping. And then Mario Odyssey just sold like 10 minutes ago. This sold for $52.99 with free shipping. So pretty good local deal there that I made. Okay guys, so that's it for the sales. So pretty happy with the sales, pretty good stuff going out, and pretty good local deal right there with that Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to be sharing you guys what I picked up today locally and at a thrift store. So if you guys didn't know, there's a thrift store open in my neighborhood, and it's open every day, but I only go in there about once a week to kind of just pick through and see what they got. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. So here's what I picked up locally, and it's a PS3. It was in good condition. It was really dusty. I wiped it off, so I got to test it out fully, but the person told me that it 100% works. It just didn't have an HDMI cord, which I just recently, I don't know where it went, but oh yeah, so I just picked up a HDMI cord at the dollar store, so no big deal, and I got to test that out. So this game right here with the poster goes for around 12-13 bucks. I'll be selling this separate, and it came with Black Ops, Little Big Planet, and Guitar Hero 5. Not sure if these games are worth anything, but if they are, I'll sell them separate if they're worth at least, you know, $8-10 each. Came with 2 controllers, 1 aftermarket, 1 original. Came with the power cord and all that. So I paid $40 for all that. I'll be looking to get about $100 plus shipping. Also picked up this at the thrift store. This is a like a model airplane or whatever, and I paid only $2.42 for it, so not a bad flip there, or not a bad pickup there. And that should go for at least $20-30 plus shipping, I'm thinking. I still gotta look it up, but it's brand new, open box. Also picked up this Matchbox. I didn't look none of this stuff up, and it's all brand new. So $2.42 for that, not too bad. So I'll look that up real quick. And then picked up Monopoly. I'm probably gonna keep this. And it was complete, it looked complete from what I saw, and this was only $2.50 as well. So not bad pickups there. And model planes, you know, typically do well. This is all stuff that's good for you know, activities in the house, you know, video game stuff, and you know, board games and model planes and stuff like that. So should do pretty well with this stuff. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'm going to try and upload every day. And yeah, so leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Peace.